How to use CapCut PC script to video full AI tutorial. Stop manually searching for stock footage. I'm going to show you how to turn a 50-word script into a fully edited, high-retention video in CapCut Desktop, completely for free. If you're tired of dragging clips one by one and trying to match visuals manually, this feature inside CapCut Desktop is going to feel unfair. Let's build a full AI video from scratch. So in order to get started, first of all, type in CapCut into your web browser and then go over to CapCut. That will bring you over here. And from here, you can try CapCut online, or you could also download it for free. So I'm just going to download CapCut for free. And then here in my downloads, I have CapCut. And then you have the CapCut desktop installer. So install CapCut. And there we go. It's been installed and we can start creating. It says that your computer can run CapCut smoothly. I'm going to click on confirm. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And now we can get started with CapCut. Go over and click on create project if you want to create your project right from scratch. Other than that, you have a lot of other options as well, such as the AI video maker, the script to video, which we are going to be focusing on. And then you also have the record screen option. Over to the left here at the sidebar, you have under video editing home where we are at right now. Then you have templates, which you can access. And then you also have spaces where you can create and join spaces and sort of have a nice community or restricted space for a certain project. Then after that, you have AI design. You can also create with AI, and you have marketing tools. So we're just going to go back to home. And over here in the center, you have several tools, and these are all AI tools. You have long videos to short, AI video, AI image, video translator, AI dialogue scene, AI fashion model, and text to speech. Now, these are all AI tools. And now we are going to go towards our topic, which is the script to video. So this is going to be through AI. Just click here. And then this window opens up. So what is a script to video in CapCut? The script to video is an AI feature inside of CapCut PC that turns written text into a structured video. It automatically adds stock footage and generates AI voiceover, and it also creates subtitles and syncs visuals to narration. So instead of editing first and writing later, you write first and then the AI builds the edit for you. This is especially powerful for faceless YouTube channels, TikTok explainers, Instagram reels, and educational short form content. And yes, it works in the free version. Now, do note here that the script to a video option, this one here, would not be available for all regions or all locations. So if you do not see the script to a video option, then it's because of your location. And once that changes, then you'll be able to access the script to video. So going back to our scripts to video. So in here, you'll see two options. You'll have the option of writing your script manually, or if you already have written it manually, then you just need to enter it in and you'll paste it in. Or the second option is with the AI writer. With that, you can generate the script with AI. And even in there, you have different categories. So it could be a script maybe written for any movies and TVs, or for games and commercials and relations and life stories, cooking tutorials, tech info, and others as well. So a lot of categories to browse from. And you just need to enter in the information, and then AI will write the script for you. So for example, we're on movies and TVs, and here you are going to put in the name of the movie or TV. So enter the name of the movie or TV, and then down here you have the highlights. So here you can put in either classic or CG effects or whatever style that you want for the highlights. And then down here you have the duration. So decide on what the duration for the video being generated is going to be. You could leave it up to AI, and it can generate a video for however long that it wants, or it could be 1 minute, 1 to 3 minutes, or more than 3 minutes. And then the same goes for other options. So if you go to games, then you're going to put in the name of the game and the highlights and the duration. If it's life stories, then put in the theme, the idea, and the duration. So very simple, like it usually is with AI. Enter in the information and then get your script. But for ourselves, now let's go with the AI writer and generate a script from there and then create our video. So from here, we're going to select maybe a commercial that we want to create, and then you want to put in the product name. So it says it's going to be a hair dryer, and then we're going to put in the brand name. And so these are the details. The product is going to be a hair dryer. The brand name is Claire. The selling points are that it is best selling, stylish, efficient, and can be used for professional use. Then you have the target audience, which is women, the beauty industry, and salons. And then for the duration, we're going to put in 15 seconds. And the price is $80. And for promotional details, we have accessories included. So this is the information I've put in. You're going to click on generate the script, then click allow, and then your script is being created. And that is our script. So we have script 1, and then down here you can see that you have more than one option. So this is 1 out of 3 scripts. So go over the script. It's really nice and engaging and really accurate according to the information I've put in. So it says level up your hairstyling game with the best-selling hair dryer. Everyone's raving about this, and it's your ticket to salon-worthy hair right at home, a sleek design, and it looks amazing, and then all this. So the script is pretty good. If you go to the next one, you can see the second script, and then you can go over to the third script. So select whichever one you like best. I like the first one. Then go over to the charm area here and click on it. Go to the drop down, and from here you can select a nice voice to go with your script. So I'm going to play this one, and I do like this one, so I'm going to select it. And then after you've done that, click on generate video. And from generate video, you have these 2 options. Click on smart generation, and then your video is being generated. And then with that, you get your generated video. So here is the video. You can preview it, you can play it. And then as you can see down here, here you have the script for your video. So this was the script, and you have the dialogues over here. Then you have the video here, and you have the audio over here. So the character we selected or the voice that we selected to say the script or to read out the script, this is that voice. And then down here you have the sound or the background music which is playing in the video. So you have all of these different elements, and you can go in and you can edit them, you can trim them, you can change. For example, if you come here, you can change the audio. It says then in this little area here you'll have the details on whatever you select. So this, for example, is what we've selected, and it says here ready to elevate, and this is only just a small part of the script that we put in, and this is the text. So you can go in and change that. So right now these are the captions, and then you can change the text, the font size, and then the style and everything. Then here you have video, so you can go to the video and you can trim the video if you like. So you can see the details on that. You can decide the speed, you can remove the background or anything, you can retouch it, you can animate it and adjust it and go into all of these details. You can blend it, enhance the quality, reduce the image noise, and then remove anything, expand or using AI, and then lip sync and all of these features. Then down here with the audio, you have the audio in different sections, and then here you can decide on the volume, the fade in and fade out, and normalize loudness, enhance the voice, and the audio translator as well. You can reduce the noise, isolate the voice, and then over here is the track being played in the background. So for that, you have the details too. And then even if you right click on an area, then you have these options. You have these formatting options. So here, go about, you can copy and save the preset, deactivate the clip, and so forth. And here you can right click too, and then you have these options. So you can customize whatever the AI has created. So for now, play what's been created.
Ready to elevate your hair game. Meet the ultimate hair dryer that's not just a
So that is how your video that's been generated is. Go over it, view the whole video in detail, edit any aspects that you want to change. And then once you're done, you want to click over here on export. And then here, decide the details on the exporting. This is where you'll just be downloading this video to your system. So you can also edit the cover here. And then here, you're going to name it, export it to which folder, and then it's video. And then here you can enter in the details and then finally click on export and your video will be saved onto your system. The export time depends on your PC, but most short videos render quickly. And just like that, you've created a full AI video from a short script. Just an idea if you generated the script with the AI. And that is how to use a CapCut PC script to video.